Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Greetings everybody, guys. Let's take a look on the gold market. So we are watching for the same setup that we talked about in the vehicle report yesterday as well, and we are considering the upward continuation on the gold market with some greater upside patching. Our ultimate suggestion by far stands around the OP than 1306, but at the same time we have some smaller targets, closer standing targets inside of the swing, and potentially we also are ready for possible surprising downward reversal, because actually we still feel uncomfortable with targets that we have at 1255, 1260 area. So we talked about it every time. This is A, B, C, D, OP at the 1260 and this potential butterfly. So in fact that could be the left wing of the butterfly that already stands in place, and here market could form the right butterfly if it will turn down somewhere inside the AB swing. So currently with this upward action, we do not see yet definitely the fact that market is continuing long-term trend. So not yet. That could be just a kind of the ABCD action inside of the swing, and then later market could turn down again. So that's one of the scenarios that we are watching for. Still, on the shorter term perspective, especially on the background of the political turmoil, as you know, it's what's going on right now in Kosovo. So that was a support factor for the gold, for the United States dollar as well. So we can see on the forex market, so also some drop against other currencies as well, especially in the euro. So and that could provide some short-term support for the gold market with the upward continuation, depending on what's really will happen, what continuation will be of this difficult situation right now. From the technical point of view, we have the new moment on the daily chart. This session, today's session, is not closed yet, but if market will close where it stands right now, we will get, as I call it, today's bullish grabber. So this is not described by the chart Napoli, but my experience tells that when you see the first drop below the MACD, next session you'll get the upward action right back. Usually it very often it works as the bullish grabber, and it means that market will be ready for the upward continuation. That's the point in moment that we should keep an eye on daily chart. On the intraday charts, first we will take a look at the hourly. On the hourly, actually our setup is done perfect. I recall what we said yesterday when we was at this point. We said currently, at this moment, it's not a good idea for taking long, because previously market already has shown that it's not have no ability to continue move higher. Upward continuation should happen right here. Here market has failed to do this and dropped. And we said that keep an eye for 2 moments. First, either the completion of the ABC top OP or XOP target. Second, wait for the breakout of this area. What will happen first? Yesterday, on this collapse, market has hit XOP target and major 618 support 1276. So that was agreement support. But also we warned that do not take long position if it will be just collapse here. And that was really very fast action. So it was a bit difficult psychologically for taking the long position on this collapse, because that really had significant probability on the possible continuation. But currently we see sharp reversal up, and we see that market shows the real thrusting action, some acceleration returning back above this trend line. And this is good sign. From that standpoint, we could return back to the idea of the ABCD pattern. COP target stands right around the previous tops at 1286. OP will be 1293. So it means that we should keep an eye on this rally that we have and wait for possible meaningful retracement. The market could show some maybe ABCD pullback, some retracement, upward continuation, upward continuation pattern, maybe Dartley's triple two will be formed or something of that sort. And that will be our chance for possible taking the long position. So that's what we'll be watching for here. On the 4-hour time frame chart, we have the same ABCD, large ABCD pattern with the COP at the same 1292. So taking in consideration that the COP here coincides with the OP target of this minor ABCD pattern. So that's as our suggestion. So currently, guys, taking position a bit more safe compared to what the scenario that we had yesterday. And if you were able to catch position right here to enter right here, it's perfect. Well, but that was really difficult, and now with this starting upward continuation, we just need to keep an eye on the possible retracement where we could try to take the position. So currently the bullish context is conforming by the price action, and we just need to wait for a suitable suitable point where we could consider the possible entry on the long side of the market.